Okay, this video we're going to show you how to make some bridal shower bingo cards using software called Bingo Card Printer, which you can download from bingocardprinter.com. This is the initial screen of the software. You click Create New Bingo Card Project, and now I'm given a choice of what kind of bingo card I'd like to create. I can choose a blank one, enter my own words, choose alphabet, numbers. I can choose school subjects like English, science, history, geography, math. I can choose holidays, Christmas, Halloween and so forth, but if I go into events, I have baby shower, birthday, bridal shower, earth hour and so forth, and so I want bridal shower, so I click on that item. I either double click it or click on it once and then click OK, and there's my initial bridal shower bingo card. This is a list of words that appear, and this is a sample bingo card with the words in the same order. I can also add additional words to the page. So for example, if I would like to add, let's have a look, let's for example add marriage as a word. I can simply type it in, press return and add it. Now you'll see it appears at the bottom. These words are in the order I typed them. Obviously there were some words already which in this particular template were in alphabetical order. There's lots of tools for rearranging it. If I do sort, it will sort them into alphabetical order again, and marriage is in the right place. I can also delete words I don't want, so if I don't want the word, for example, ceremony, I simply highlight it, click delete, and I can delete the item I don't want. So I can customize the word list as much as I like. I can also customize the size and appearance of the bingo cards. For example, if I want to make a 3x3 bingo card, I can do that, 4x4, 5x5, which I started with, or I can make a larger one like a 6x6, although I don't have enough items entered yet in this list to fill out the 6x6. I'll have to enter more items to make it work, so I'll stick to 5x5 for now. Choose whether or not to put a heading on the bingo card. I can check what the heading says. So for example, I could make it say bride, or I prefer capital bride. Change whether or not to have the free space in the middle of the bingo card. See it there, it's appearing and disappearing. I can change the text with the free space. I can use fonts and colours to change the appearance of the bingo card. So perhaps we'll make the heading have a pink background, and we'll make the squares a checkerboard of let's say light yellow and light blue, keeping the text white. The free space will keep as a white square. Line colour, perhaps we'll make some of them red. Let's see how that looks as an example. I'm happy with the colours. I could perhaps also change the fonts as well if I want to. Take a moment to load the fonts on this particular computer because I've got such a large number of fonts installed on my system. But there we are. I can change the heading, and I can change the spaces and the free space font separately. So let's just change the heading as an example. Change down till I find one I like the look of. Perhaps we could have, there's a nice curly font there that we could perhaps have that will look good. This is quite an unusual font. We'll try that one then. For example, as a heading, there we are with bride in the unusual font. I'm now say that I'm now happy with that. I'm now ready to print. So I can look at the options that affect printing. One option here is called print call list, which I can turn on or off. When it's on, what will happen is I get an extra page when I'm printing which contains this list of items in a random order. Very useful if you're the bingo caller and you want a printed reference to refer to. And you want to call from that printed reference. You don't have to print the call list if you don't want to. Simply uncheck it if you don't need it. But I'll leave it on so you can see what it looks like. I can also choose how many bingo cards to print per page. So I can put in 1, 2, 4. The more I print per page, the smaller each individual bingo card will come out. But I potentially could save quite a bit of paper if I put several bingo cards on a page. I'd also might have to cut the paper up if I wanted to give one bingo card to each player. So I'll leave it on 1 for demonstration again. And finally, after I've selected that, I can choose how many bingo cards I want to print. I can put in 1, I can put in 10, I can put 100, I can put in 1,000, I can put up to 9,999. and every bingo card will contain a different arrangement and selection of the words from this list, so making a different bingo cards, a whole set of them, very easily. So for my demonstration I'm going to put in 50. Now ready to do print, I'm going to do print preview so you can see on screen what the bingo cards would look like. First page is the call list, the list of words in random order. When I click next page you'll see the first bingo card. I'll zoom out so you can see the whole card. There are the list of words, shuffled about randomly. And if I click next page you'll see the next list in a different bingo card, and the third one is different, and the fourth one is different, up to all 50 that I've chosen to print. So it's a very quick way of producing lots of customized bingo cards very quickly. If I close the print preview, I'll just show you one other option that's quite interesting. If you're the bingo caller, you could use their court list, which I've already mentioned, but another way is the software can help you choose items during the game randomly. You can just say call game, and what will happen is it will choose one option at random, show you on the right hand side, and on the left hand side it shows you the current item and any previously chosen item. So when I click next it will choose another item here, and romantic is now the current item, cake was the previous item, and then it will choose another one and another one and another one. So it's another way that you can select items if you are the bingo caller. So that's it. Well, that's it for my demonstration. There is a little bit more to the software, but if you go to bingocardprinter.com you can go and download a free trial version of the software. Software works on all recent versions of Windows, and hopefully if you like it you can then decide to register the program, which allows you to upgrade to the full version, and the full version can do everything you've done in this video and a lot more besides. Both the free trial and the registered version includes hundreds of ready-to-use bingo activities to get you started, and you can always create your own bingo activities as well. Thank you very much. So go to bingocardprinter.com, download the free trial, see how you like it. Thank you very much.